As a highlight to this anniversary celebration, we'll witness the donning of rank to honor the heroism of one of our officers. May we request Captain Jerome Hakuba, together with his wife, Mrs. Rachel Hakuba, to proceed on stage. May we also request the Adjutant General, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Brigadier General Danilo E. Estranjero, Philippine Army, for the reading of the promotion orders.
Republic of the Philippines, Department of National Defense, General Headquarters, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo, Quezon City. General Orders Number 2349, published on 18 December 2025. Pursuant to the provisions of Section 7 of Republic Act Number 291 as amended, in conjunction with Republic Act Number 11709 as amended by Republic Act Number 11939 and other relevant laws, Captain Jerome J. Hakuba, Officer DAS 146467, Philippine Army, is promoted to the permanent rank of Major effective 01 December 2025. By order of the Secretary of National Defense, Official Romeo Saturnino Browner Jr., General Philippine Army, Chief of Staff. Signed, Danilo E. Estranjero, Brigadier General Philippine Army, the Adjutant General.
His Excellency is requested to be assisted by the Secretary of National Defense and the Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines, for the donning of rank. Major Hakuba was part of the 62nd Division Reconnaissance Company of the 6th Infantry Division when he was wounded in action during a clearing operation at Sitio Balas, Barangay T, Datu Salibo, Maguindanao on 2 March 2016. At the course of the operation, an improvised explosive device exploded. This situation didn't hinder him from demonstrating his strong leadership.